Well, my friends, this is a case of so-called heart disease. Why I have said so-called heart disease? Because the declaration by the allopathic physicians, the patient has been suffering from cardiac troubles. Because they run out, they run with the pathological investigations. The heart rate is 55 per minute. So definitely the subject is suffering from bradycardia. And so they have prescribed a lot of allopathic physicians once in the morning, at noon, at evening, at bedtime, 5 tablets, 2 capsules, 2 teaspoonfuls of syrup, and what not. And along with that, a large number of investigations they have done. And they have declared it is essential to replace the pacemaker within 15 days. Otherwise, the patient will be invalid. He will be more severe and become unconsciousness time to time. At present, he is also becoming unconsciousness time to time, 3 times unconsciousness already have seen. But I am telling boldly, strongly and confidently, this is a case of pure psychic origin. The complaint started for last 3 months when his house was broken by some political antisocial miscreants. And these incidents struck his mind. And these may be considered the grave ailments from. The allopathic physicians did not bother their head about this causation. They do their habit only to do that, advised to do some pathological investigations and reports, and on the basis of the pathology, they prescribe a large number of medicines. But we homeopaths, we want to go the inside of a man, the internal man, into the mind, into the psychic side, into the cognitive side. And what I observe, the grief is the main cause of starting this travel. So in cancer repertory, if we go through the rubric, grief ailments from, there are some medicines. Among them, causticum is also in the first grade. On considering the other symptoms, other totality, there are a large number of odds here and there. The patient is very serious and he cannot tolerate the injustice. There is fear of dogs. The patient is chilly. All symptoms go in favor of causticum. So this case taking was done by Junior, and I have chosen the cardinal points, the gist, what's here and there, grief ailments from, chilly patient, and sympathetic, and fear of dogs, and injustice cannot tolerate. So I have selected causticum is the medicine. So causticum is the choice of drug, and within 15 days, I am boldly telling that no pacemaker is required to this patient. The patient will be free from all these troubles. Actually, this is the false heart complaints due to psychic origin. So once again, I have demonstrated this case to show you, to understand you, to evaluate a case from the psychic point. Do not believe all the pathological investigations of the allopathic hands, of the allopathic physicians, because they never consider the man as a whole, the internal man, the cognitive man. So, psychic in origin and the totality. So, treat the patient in general, the internal man, not the disease. You should not run to the disease. You should look after the patient as a whole, the totality as a whole, the holistic man as a whole. And the holistic man, this totality man, this internal man is considered the symptomatology of causticum, and I have chosen the medicine causticum. See the causticum mental symptoms from the heading guiding symptoms. That symptom is clearly mentioned. Mental and other ailments from long-lasting grief. So along with this causation, and the causation in favor of mind and other symptomatology needs the prescription of causticum. Thank you very much.